Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add noise to text in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer and type text noise. Press Ctrl T. Okay, hold Ctrl align middle. Then go to Filter tab, noise, add noise and noise size. Gaussian. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.